everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles makeup video, and we are going to be testing out another eyeshadow palette. Actually, it's like a little Christmas kit. It's a limited edition, which I don't normally do, but since it's Christmas time, I figured you guys might have a chance to get it. Anyways, it is the Too Faced Cinnamon Bear collection. I saw Emily Newell do this one and it was beautiful, so I decided to try it. I got mine at Ulta and it was $29, and you get this cutesy little bag with little cinnamon bears on it. You get a melted matte lip and a palette that has, hold on, let me put this over here. And the palette has 8 eyeshadows and a blush. So I put on my foundation and my eyebrows and my bronzer. And we're going to do the rest with this. Well, not the rest. I'm not going to do my lashes and stuff with it. But we're going to make an eye look with this because it looked amazing on her. And she said she couldn't believe how well it blended. And it looked like it blended really nice. Anyways, let's get started. Hopefully this is going to be not quite as long. That's what I'm hoping for. I can't promise anything, but you know, we're going to try. So we're going to start off with a fluffy brush, and we're going to go into this color right here. It's called Cereal Milk, right there. It looks like the color of cereal milk. And we're just going to go in, and I'm just going to put this all over my lid and all the way up. Okay, now we're going to go into this kind of light brown. It's called Bear Hug. And all of these, I think, have a little bit of a red tint to them. And we're just going to go into the crease with this and pull it up a little. This is going to be more of a transition color. So I want to pull this up kind of high. And then on the outer half of my lid. I'm just going to take this brush and go back into that cereal milk and just put this up here just to blend it together. Now we're going to go into Red Hot, which is this one right here. And we're just going to start in this outer corner. And just pack it in there. Okay, so I've got it packed in there pretty good. Now I'm going to take a cleaner brush, and I'm just going to start pulling it up a little into that crease. Okay, I think I need a little more of the red. Now I'm going to go into this. Let me get a brush first. No, not that one. This one. I'm going to go into this Pop of Chili right here. It's got some sparkle to it. And I'm just going to add it right on top of that red. Just give it some shimmer. Oh, that's pretty. I think I got enough on that one. That's so pretty. Now I'm going to take this. Now I'm going to go in with some of that, some of this milk, cereal milk, and just lighten this up a little. That's pretty. Now we're going to go in with a little bit of this dark brown, this chocolate dipped right here. And we're just going to lightly go over this outer corner, just to make it a little bit more of a, like a burnt red. And I'm using super, super light pressure on this. Just a little. I think it's pretty. Okay, now I'm going to take a pencil brush. Actually, I'm going to take a flat brush and go into that brown and just bring it together right here on this lower lash. Just right here in the corner. It has a lot of red to it, that brown. And then I'm going to take a pencil brush and go into this Bear Hug right here, the one that we use for the transition, and just bring this underneath this brown and across the rest of the under eye. So now I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to put on my liner and lashes, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I did my lashes. I put on some mascara. I used my tightline mascara. First I push lined with my Maybelline Tatoo gel pencil in Onyx. And then I used my tightline mascara for I curled them and put that on. And then I put on my lashes. These are the Kiss lashes, the Faux Mink. And this is the style Jubilee. And I really like them. Okay, so now we are going to finish. I'm going to use the blush in here and put that on and just see how I like it. Looks very pink. I like darker usually, but oh, it's darker than it looks. Down in here it looks pretty pale. When you put it on, it's pretty good. I think I need to bump up my bronzer though. There, I like that pretty good. So let's just go in with a little more bronzer. Give this some more color. And then we're going to go in with my cookie highlight, because I always do that after my blush. Blend it all together so it's all nice and seamless. And now we're going to go in with our lips. And this is scary for me because I'm not that good at, especially liquid lips. I usually don't use liquid lips because I mess with them too much. So I'm going to get most of it off of here so that it will give me a thin coat. And we're going to go in because this is, I don't know what color this is, but it's kind of dark. I'm so afraid to overline with liquid lip. Anyways, I love the color. It definitely pulls in the eyes. It's definitely total glam. So, what do you guys think? Do you love it? I love it. I think it's a great look for Christmas. I love red eyeshadow. I do. I love it. Red's my favorite color, though. You guys know that. I'm not sure about the lips. I'm not usually one to wear dark lips, but you could wear, especially with a bold eye, I usually want a muted lip, and then with a really muted eye, I'll go with a bold lip. I'll have to do that next time. We'll have to go with a muted eye, and then I'll use this lip. I never even told you what color it is, did I? I need glasses for this. All right. Cinnamon Bear. That's what it looks like, too. That's what color it looks like. I know I messed it up a little right there. Oh well, I'm not going anywhere. I'll be more careful next time though, because it seems like it's on. Once it's on, it's on. That's why I'm so scared of liquid lips. Because once they're on, messed up or not. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also I want to remind you, during the holidays you need to use your Rakuten. Sign up with my link down below and then use it whenever you go into Sephora or Ulta or Walmart or even Amazon. You get cash back, and you just, once you sign up, it doesn't cost anything to sign up. You sign up once, and then you just have to go through the link if you're on your phone, or if you put it on your computer, it just pops up and you just, it says you can use Ebates, and you just click it, and then it will go ahead and And then it goes right to the site. You don't even notice it anymore. It's just there, and then it sends you emails and says, look what you did. You got money. And then they just send you a check. So it's the best way to get free money. So I just want to remind you guys to get that. And then don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!